Here is the next set of shrouds, and you can see I've swung off one, but not the other two. You can tell which one. And what I've done is I've secured them like this on this steel frame, and that way we know that we've got a solid end piece. And what I've been doing is I've been going along to the middle like this, and I've been swinging off that one. So I think I can do this one-handed and keep it in frame. See, we're starting up there, and I'm just pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling, and this is just one arm's stretch. It's not my full body weight of nearly 80 kilos. It's just one arm stretch with a sailing glove. And in the time that it's taken me to film this, we've gone from just below that top stay to right the way down there. And it's slowly coming back up because it's got memory, it's elastic, but you can see the amount of stretch that we're getting. And what we do is we hang this weighty water jug on it, and that will sit there for a few hours, and it will pull these down until all the stretch comes out. The stretch comes from not just the fibres of the rope, but also from the berry of the double locked and stitched Brummel splice. That's where it comes from. Now stretching the third batch. Batch 1 has been put in the tub, batch 2 at the bottom, batch 3 at the top. And what I've done is I've given them their first swing off and tension for both of them, but with the second batch you can see I've hung 20 kilos of water so that it tensions all three of them using that wrap around. We've got all three with 20 kilos of weight roughly in the middle, and that means that they have got time in the warm sunshine to stretch down. They've had just about 2 hours to stretch that way, and that means that the fibres will stretch and retain that length. And until they've had some time with the tension on, they will retain that memory, and they'll go back to their original shape, which is not what we want. We want them to stretch.